Hey friend, do you want to learn how to use powerful AI tools like Chat GPT, Midjourney, Google Bard, and more? These tools will save you time, they will save you money, and learning how to properly use them will future-proof your skills for your own job, for running your own business, or even just for using in your own personal life. ChatGPT is better than Google in many ways, allowing you to quickly get in-depth answers to any question. It can brainstorm, outline, write, and edit any format from articles and video scripts to emails and web pages. It can condense, expand, change the style or tone of any text. It can optimize text, making it more SEO friendly, clickable, and easy to read. Midjourney can quickly create images and graphics that would take even the best designers hours to create, from photorealistic images to illustrations and digital art. In this class, you'll learn how to create anything you can imagine with the simple click of a button. Keep watching to the free preview lesson of the class where you'll get a crash course and sneak peek at how to use ChatGPT and Midjourney. We teach these tools with easy to watch, step-by-step lessons from beginner to advanced. We also include real-world case studies to show you how we're actually using these tools in our own lives. My co-instructor Diego and I, we've been teaching student favorite courses for over a decade now, and you can see some of the reviews of what people think of this class. We truly believe this is the only class you'll need to learn these AI tools, and we'll continue to expand it to other tools so that you don't have to enroll in a bunch of other classes. And with the time and money saved using these tools from the skills you've learned in this class, it will be well worth the price of the class. Don't get left behind. I know these tools can be a little bit scary, but they are also very useful. And we'll teach you exactly how to do that in this class. In the next 5-10 minutes, your mind will be blown with what you're learning. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next lesson.